Hey guys, got a quick fabrication tip for you. So I'm going to cut this square out, but I want rounded corners on it. So a good tip is to use a drill bit. Come in here and cut in some holes, and then use your cutoff wheel and cut into it. That way it has a nice rounded edge. And I'll show you how to do that. I'm wanting about a quarter inch radius, which means you need a 1/2 inch diameter drill bit for that. So you got to basically come in on these corners and find 1/4 inch in. So I know what this is. It's 1.5 inches that I'm in, so I'm going to go 1 3/4 inches. Get this one right here. Alright, well here it is. Nothing too hard, it's pretty simple, and I build these a lot at work for, like, you know, an electrical plug-in, or like there's going to be a gas spout right here, stuff like that. It's pretty simple. The drill bits keep you from, it makes it look nice, and it'll keep you from, when you use your cutoff wheel, grinding too far and then having those little nicks, you know, those little X's at all the corners. It'll keep you from doing that, and then you can polish them up with the flap disc to make it look nice, and it's good to go.